I've been selected to be part of the 2019 creative team for Paper House. Yes, and guess what that means? That means that I get to select what I would like from their entire site to create something great from the items on their site. So let me just show you what I picked out for my first box, and then you can take a look at all of the awesome goodness that they have. All right, first off, these little cards, the happy face. It's signed by everybody at Paper House. Hey, Paper House. Hey, y'all. Hey. What it does is it gives you a $10 credit to Paper House Productions. We can use this for whatever we like. We can use it for a giveaway, for a raffle, for whatever we like. So maybe you'll be a lucky person soon. But let's get to the items that I received. Lots of wonderful items. Okay, I'm going to start over here. This is the scrapbook adhesives section of the goodies. And so this is a special project that I'll be working on using the items from Scrapbook Adhesives. I know what I'm going to be working on. I want to do some memory planning, and I also want to work on a shadow box. And so these are just some of the items. All of these are self-adhesive, and they come in different sizes, varieties. These are dots, foam dots. These are photo corners. These are foam pennants. This is holographic metallic paper. Look at those colors. These are just adhesive sheets. Then you have foam creative sheets, so you can just create something great. My all-time favorite, Easy Dots. Then you have the Mega, the big one, the Big Mama, the Easy Runner strips. I love these strips. It makes it so easy when you're adhering anything to a piece of paper by using the strips. I can like strip forever with this tape runner. Not literally strip, but yeah, you know what I mean. Okay, and then here are the keepsake envelopes. So I can't wait to dig into all of these great items from Scrapbook Adhesives to make something great. Now let's move on. What is that? What is that? What is that? That is the new Mommy Lay Paper House Productions Life Organized Planner. How freaking cute. So it is full of everything Mommy Lay. How cute is that? I wanted a small one and I got it. I love the layout. I love the dashboard. I love all of the inspirational messages. I cannot wait to use that. This is the smaller size. I'll pan out a little bit so you can see how small it is next to the foam pennants. How cute is that? Even the front of it is cute. I like the fact that it's portable, so I can take it, like throw it in my purse or throw it in my bag. It's not big. It's not bulky. Loving it. Totally loving it. Now let me tell you some other things that I got. This is a shaped mini album, and it's shaped like a suitcase, right? So I just came back from vacation a long time ago, even though it was only a few weeks, and I want to capture all my memories in a photo album. So I thought this would be really cool. It's HP. It also has bonus journal cards and stickers. So I cannot wait to try this out and add pictures from my trip to Mexico. This washi is next. This washi, upside down first off. But look how cool that is. It's like the cityscape in cars. How cute is that? I love it. This is sold at Paper House. Can you see it? Can you see it? Carol Schreiber. You see it? See it? Schreiber. I'm sorry. All right. Then next. I don't know if you all have ever taken a look at the creative journaling pieces from Life Organized in Paper House, but I love it. I had one of these booklets and I used them all up. I used them in my planner. So I, of course, had to get more. And they have even more than what they had before, which I am so overjoyed about. These are just days of the week stickers. This would be great in my planner. I kind of Franken-plan a teacher's planner for work. So I usually repurpose the days. So this would be great for that. Then I started to track the weather. I said I would never do it because, heck, it changes so often, but I'm going to give it a try. You just never know. So this is a whole booklet, this creative journaling, right? It has tons of cute stuff in it. If you've never gotten one of these, you should definitely take a look at it. Then there are dates in different colors. How cute is that, right? So I love that. And then this is just travel stickers, but they're all from that little journaling, creative journaling line with Paper House under Life Organized. And I'm sure you saw the graduation items. So I want to do a shadow box as a surprise to my daughter. Hopefully she's not watching this. If she is, cat's out the bag. But anyways, I want to do a shadow box, and I thought this would be cute because she just graduated with her bachelor's. Whoop, whoop. Yay, very proud of her. So I wanted to make that as a gift. So I did get some stickers that will go on or go inside of the shadow box. So I'm really excited about that project. In addition to that, I'm going to be going away on a girls trip. So I got these stickers for that. Glamping is camping in style. I love these little enamel sticky picks. I don't know if you've ever tried it from Paper House. They are cute. Look at that color, right? How cute is that? They stick right on, they last forever, and they are just freaking cute and no matter where you put them. So I want a journal or memory plan for that trip. I also have some panda enamel stickers. I love pandas, so I thought that was just too cute. And then this can go in something that I am doing, probably that shadow box, right? Graduation, you're done, adventure awaits. I thought that would all go together. I haven't even gotten the box yet, so I can't imagine what it's going to look like, but I'm really excited because I'll be able to use a lot of these items that I got to put it together with. So I'm very, very excited about that. Now here's something else that I had not used before. It's sticky picks, the same as the enamels, but these are cardstock stickers. And so this is a really, really cute colors, variety of stickers. You can stick them anywhere. You can use them for memory planning. So I'm excited about those. And then the very last thing out of everything that I got are the Stargazer and other sheets. How cute is the scrapbook paper? They're double-sided, and this is a different one. I don't know. I may even use this one for the graduation piece. I'll have to see. So look how cute that is. So all of that to say, if you have not checked out Paper House, you definitely should check out Paper House. And I hope you have enjoyed my summary of my beautiful box. If you are looking to shop at Paper House Productions, I will link the website, and I also have a discount code off of 20% off of your purchase that you can use, which is PH Paul Hannah 19 Jenice, Jenise. But I'll include that in the video summary. Hope you enjoyed it, and definitely check out Paper House. And I'm definitely loving this. Thanks for listening, guys.